Don't lose control. Uh-oh, are your tie rod ends toast? Symptoms you need to know. Hey gearheads and DIY mechanics. Welcome back to our Weekly Tools channel. Today we're going to be talking about a crucial part of your car's steering system, the tie rod ends. These guys are silent heroes, working behind the scenes to keep your wheels pointed in the right direction. But like any car part, they can wear out over time. How do you know if your tie rod ends are on their last legs? So, let's get started. Before we jump into symptoms, let's do a quick refresher. Tie rod ends connect your steering wheel to your wheels. They're like the middlemen, translating your steering wheel turns into precise movements of the wheels. They're tough little cookies, but wear and tear can take their toll. Symptoms of bad tie rod ends. Alright, now on to the nitty-gritty. Here are the telltale signs that your tie rod ends might be failing. Steering wheel shakes or vibrates. This is a common one. Feeling a shaky or wobbly steering wheel, especially when you accelerate or turn, can indicate loose or worn tie rod ends. The shaking happens because the worn tie rod isn't transferring movement smoothly to the wheels. Loose steering. If your steering wheel feels excessively loose or like it has a lot of play before the wheels actually respond, that's a red flag. You shouldn't have to fight to keep your car straight. Uneven tire wear. Worn tie rod ends can mess up your wheel alignment, leading to uneven tire wear. You might see scalloping or feathering on one side of the tire tread. This is a serious safety hazard, so don't ignore it. Clunking or knocking sounds. Hearing clunking or knocking noises from the front of your car, especially when turning at low speeds, could be a sign of a failing tie rod end. The worn joint is creating that racket. Car doesn't track straight. This one can be subtle. If you feel like your car is constantly pulling to one side even when you're holding the steering wheel straight, it could be due to misalignment caused by bad tie rod ends. What to do if you have these symptoms? If you're experiencing any of these symptoms, don't delay. Get your car to a qualified mechanic for a professional diagnosis. Replacing tie rod ends is a relatively simple repair, but it's important to have it done by someone who knows what they're doing. Disclaimer: while I recommend professional inspection, here's a brief overview of a DIY check. But remember, this is just a preliminary check and shouldn't replace a mechanic's diagnosis. Park on a level surface and engage the parking brake. Visually inspect the tie rod ends for torn boots or leaks. Damaged boots allow dirt and debris in, accelerating wear. With the car off, try gently moving the tire from side to side at 3 and 9 o'clock positions. If you feel excessive play or clunking, that's a sign of trouble. Remember, don't get under the car if it's not on jack stands properly secured. Safety first. Tie rod ends are essential for safe steering. By recognizing the symptoms of bad tie rod ends and getting them replaced promptly, you can avoid potential accidents and keep yourself and others on the road safely. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more car care tips.